Want to hear something that might set you free? Most people are not thinking about you. They're thinking about themselves, their problems, their mistakes, their future, their fears. Yet millions of people spend years worrying about what others think of them. The truth is, the spotlight effect is an illusion. You're the main character in your story, but everyone else is busy being the main character in theirs. How much of your life have you wasted worrying about other people's opinions?